Hi, in the last lecture we have formatted the number into currency. In this lecture we will more concentrate on table layouts and styles. Within Pivot Table tool there are two options, Analyze option and Design option. Till last lecture we were more concentrating on the Analyze menu. Many layout choice on the left and on the right hand side of the Design menu there are many default styles available. Some are in light mode and others are in medium mode. You can choose any one of among these as per your choice. I personally feel comfortable in light mode styles. Let's take this one. Apart from these, there are other styles options, row headers and column headers. You can add or remove shading from this option. You can also add banded rows and banded column as per your choice. These are related to styles. Let's come to the layout part. For the layout, there are four functionalities are available in Pivot Table. These are subtotals, grand totals, report layout and blank rows. To demonstrate the functionalities effectively, let me do some changes in Pivot. I have added cities in the rows column and below which I have added segment and ship mode also. As we can see, cities, segment and ship mode comes in one column, that is in compact form layout. In this compact form layout, it is very difficult to filter them since they are coming in the same column. Let us go to the report layout format and understand what options are available with this. In the report layout format, there are three options: compact form, outline form and tabular form. We are currently visualizing the compact form. Now try outline form. In outline form, each dimension comes as a separate column. In the outline form, it is easy to filter all fields as per the choice of the user. It will help him to understand the data more accurately for the analysis. Let's try tabular form also and see what is available with this. In the tabular form, we are getting more functionalities to hide the rows. Let us again change to outliner form and try to insert blank rows. As soon as we click on the blank rows option, a blank row appears after every dimensions. This makes Pivot Table much more readable. We will remove the blank rows and will try for subtotal menu. In subtotal menu, there are three options. First is do not show subtotal. Second is show subtotal on the bottom. And the third is show subtotal on the top. Now try one by one. We will try subtotal on the top. Now it's coming on top of the dimension. Now we will try for subtotal on the bottom. As you can see, it is coming on the bottom of the dimension. As we click on the do not show subtotal, subtotals are removed from the pivot. Okay, we will go to the end of the pivot table. Now try for the grand total. Click here on for rows and columns for grand total. We can on or off the subtotal for rows and column both as well as individual. Thank you.